Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're experiencing a black screen issue in Google Chrome on your PC or laptop, it could be due to several reasons. In this video, I am going to show you one effective step to fix this problem. So, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. In the upper right corner, click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. Scroll down and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of options. Look for and click on System. In the System settings, you will see three options. The second option is Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Next to this option, there is a toggle switch. Click on this switch to turn off graphics acceleration. After doing this, you will need to relaunch Chrome for the changes to take effect. Click on Relaunch, and that's it. If this method doesn't resolve the black screen issue, don't worry. There are several other steps you can try. First step, update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. You can update them through the device manager or by visiting the manufacturer's website. Second step, disable extensions. Sometimes, browser extensions can cause conflicts. Disable them one by one to identify if any of them are causing the issue. Restart Chrome after disabling each extension. Third step, reset Chrome settings. Fourth step, clear browser data. Fifth step, check for Chrome updates. Ensure that you have the latest version of Chrome installed. Last step, reinstall Chrome. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling Chrome and then reinstalling it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the black screen issue in Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any other issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.